Hi, welcome back. And before we go ahead and get started, let me get this out of the way because sometimes the end of my videos cut off. So go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel, and you can share the video even if it's just to make fun of me. And hit the notification if you want to watch more. And yes, we do smoke on his channel, so get your blunts ready. Even if you just want to chill because you don't want to be alone, that is what we do, and that is what I am here for. So sit back, relax, and let's get started.
Whoa! Holy crap!
That's a lot of reading. After the initial impact, the Jeep then collided with a Toyota Corolla doing a illegal U-turn. The Jeep went airborne after the secondary impact to the Corolla and landed on the roof of the... Whoa. I've gotten into an accident with a Jeep, but it didn't hit that bad. It was just like a little chip on the Jeep, and I didn't flip or anything. It was just like, whoa. No status at this time. Jeep was definitely speeding. Hyundai went around Corolla and left lane, resulted in total side. Sorry for the sun glare. It was worth it, but I have UV filter on my dash cam aside from the breeze on my truck. It's involved, but okay. Whew, render 8 is That is crazy, and that's why you pause it to read it, because they don't give you no time. Not me, dodging. Like, who? The lady ahead of me turned in front of a semi. Thankfully, another bystander also stopped, was a first responder, and helped until ambulance arrived. She was talking to us while waiting for paramedics. Once they arrived, it took them a while to get out of the car, unfortunately. When a passenger came out with no injury. I gave the dash cam SD card to police when they showed up. They told me they couldn't use it because it didn't capture enough of the collision because I went onto the shoulder. Call 911. The whole SD card, bitch. I would have been like, well, you could give me 15 bucks to give me a new one.
God! Oh, shit!
Some driver and their pickup two cars.
Man, the Patriots are so smart and they're so well coached. And I wanted to show everybody how smart and how well coached they are. This is in their opening drive. It's a 3rd and 10 screen pass. A couple things that I want to point out. Now, they're so well coached. And I wanted to show everybody how smart and how well coached they are. This is in their opening drive. It's a 3rd and 10 screen pass. A couple things that I want to point out.
It's about the pony you
Last team felony. Oh, and then a narcotic search warrant.
I wished that I had written it and that I could actually write something like that for you.
Bro, how you gonna... See, when I eat food, there ain't nobody next to me, nobody coming, or I'm all the way in the other
You
lane.
can start with private molding.
That's what I always found by the shoulder.
Yes, I'm good.
So we... Us... For like, that car overreacted? No, just kidding. Oh no!
And how does he know how to do that so easily?
Yeah. Yeah, tree definitely saved you.
How do you think?
Important. Is this a commercial? Oh, look, because this is a 23-minute video, and I've not even been recording for 10 minutes. Not even 5.
That's alright.
So can you get the advertisement?
My dad. Your dad's always there. He's like, it's like his dojo or something. It's crazy.
I have no idea how to eat it.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Holy! Oh my god! Oh god!
Red light for 5 seconds. Plenty of people are stopped.
It's just that story about me and Peter upstairs at last year's graduation party. No, it's just you and Jen used to do it a lot, right?
I'm watching the second movie to All the Boys I Ever
Well,
Loved.
it's not about Jen.
His cars were involved.
Do you miss sex?
Created a chain reaction.
Sort of avoid.
Oh, he collided with another car. Hey! Not the tow truck running a red light.
And I've never.
Sir, you clearly had the red light. Well, in front of me was green. So I'm assuming you had the wrong way. Because it wasn't red. Why are you speeding in a roundabout?
Are you okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm.
Oh, they're both nurses. Nice.
Very big prize this week. It is a Wheel of Age Gouda donated
Immediate
by
help.
Mrs. Glick's son. Thank you so much. Okay.
No, the
First number
cops.
is B4.
Did it just read? Bye. Whoa.
Oh my
That
god.
doesn't seem like a T-bone. That's more like a... Not a Y. A B-bone. Bitch. Your light already turned red. Today, I'm the idiot. Heading to my girlfriend's house to get to the intersection and make it to a left turn. Never even saw the other car coming. It also appears the stoplight went from green straight to red. Oh. You know, I didn't even notice that. There was no yellow. It said green to red. Does he get in trouble for that? Really? Because it's an A? I was supposed to get a few more seconds, bro. What happened to the yellow light? You just went from green to red. Didn't give me a chance to stop or want to stop. It was crazy. Like, so there was a light malfunction. I'm suing the city.
During and hanging out with the senior citizens. And 40.
I'm getting so tired.
Are we lame?
Gonna make it up for this video.
Oh!
Oh! Oh no! Ah! He said, I don't want another hit.
I got bingo.
From your perspective, okay.
I feel like the co-workers, like, they see each other probably at the office kind of thing, yeah, like, before, like, they actually head out.
Oh, we're gonna.
Oh, call stalled.
What does that mean?
I mean, like, okay, at
Oh my god!
whenever you try to
Thought I broke my blunt for a minute because I hit my hand.
I mean, that one time it was my birthday and you made me those amazing.
Off branches and getting stuck on sandbars, then coasting straight down the center of the river. You prefer a bad job? The most important times of life, the ones that shape us, that define who we are.
Juveniles in a stolen car tried to pass me in the rain.
No,
All three ran off, but the rear seat passenger was caught. Is it because he returned? Why?
No one really
Did you grab everything and did?
Right. And on that note, I think I should tell you.
Oh, what a wonderful team you make. But this is wrong. All of the bagel stuff needs to go in the basement. This needs to be cleared out for the garden party. I have to go make some prune daiquiris.
Ooh, that came out. Merry Christmas to me. Minor injuries. City by the fire. Thankfully, I'm alive. Good ending to a good story. Or a bad story. My bad. I got a cough.
Hey,
I can't read all that. My vision got blurred.
forget the stupid garden party and the potted
I'm the white guy. What the fuck? Oh, he was just not paying attention.
What the?
all old people want to do.
Bam! Bam! Caught it! I caught it! I so fuck did! Stupid mother...
How would you render it?
God damn! I'm not going to that damn car.
Okay, everybody's will be okay.
Reading?
Whoa. Here's the section's graveyard. There's a crash. Pretty much every month. Sure, people blow this way a few times, but never knew.
What this is? I'm gonna order. Then I tried
Did you
the.
cross the stop sign?
Oh my god, dude. Oh!
If it's not night, you don't see the
Idiot.
lights.
I'm so
Put
glad.
the lights on. I thought they were a parked car.
They are tearing the treehouse down.
Why?
The Robertsons are moving out, and the new couple, they don't have kids.
Are we going down a hill?
Future generations are gonna have their hands full with.
Fucked away fine, and so did the driver. And so did the driver that hit me.
We'll probably be living underwater.
Oh, no, people really be walking away fine after all that. I mean, I've suffered a lot, and here I am.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's a great
You
idea.
think
I'm
they
thinking of
okay?
all the people that were there when we created it.
Yeah. Yeah. Totally. We can invite everybody. Great. I'll bring the pizza.
Pass.
You can make the
Kid was on his phone. Look at him. How do you not even see perfume? I'm looking right here. I can still see all up here. Things moving, getting closer. Like I can. Does people just not have peripherals? Like you just like this? Nothing else I can see outside of this area. Is that what it is when you're driving and you even look at something? I feel like I can't even turn on the AC without crashing. Like, fuck, y'all get distracted by the radio, the AC, just like every little knob you have to turn. Don't use your windshield wipers.
No.
Oh, how do y'all use your turn signals, bro?
So, Jen?
No. I'm not inviting Jen. She posts that video.
Well, we don't
Here
know
it could be like, hey, such and such, send this text to da 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 da.
It would be me, you, Chris, Trevor, and John Ambrose.
So you.
Damn, that
Behind us.
sucks. They're just chilling.
Yep.
Several cars.
Did you ask him to volunteer with you?
No, I didn't even write it
Oh. Jeez, copy for a girl who's never.
Oh, yeah, it looks like the dump truck was going into that lane. Not that other car. Woo! Yeah, you missed that. But continue singing. Woo. Happy Thanksgiving.
chocolate peanut butter cupcakes? Peter prefers salted caramel.
Other driver did not see me, wrecking it up being a total loss. Rush cam totally worth it.
Current loop video is now locked.
I don't get the things between what's loop video. I have different settings on mine. I just put on recording because it's under loop.
Yeah. It is the same.
I didn't realize until I saw them
Is that smoke?
next to one another. What a spectacular
From like him with the car.
this was.
Just bitch, get the fuck out of there.
Been fine for a workout. Okay, how are we going to treat these various things?
What is leading differential? So if you're worried about AAO and you're going to do the high dose steroids, I like 1 gram IV Solumetrol for 3 days.
We doing this or what?
Why are you,
Oh,
I just buried a dead body.
yeah, the medical emergency. Oh, that's this should really be some type of like.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Even have stuff for people with
Save
missing
video.
limbs or no legs and stuff for them to drive. So why can't they have it with other people? Assisted steering, like my car has that. Like it starts to brake. I'm like, bitch, it's way up there or whatever. That's just my Toyota. So I'm like, I know this technology is available. If they can afford it, if they can, I'm sorry. Never mind.
Alright, let's bust
That's the thing. Why should they have to cost money? For you to have to live normally. It's going to be so fucking difficult just to live like everybody else. But oh, you're supposed to have the same expectations.
I guess. Well, I mean, you gotta go somewhere, huh? Shit, let me go.
Use that as you will. So yeah, as you can see, our souls are going to be spread pretty thin this go around.
Video protected.
Honda Link Assist will call.
See, our souls are going to be spread pretty thin this go around.
Video protected.
Honda Link Assist will call emergency services after the
Video protected.
Because you were trying to impress John? No.
That's true. That's really cute.
Oh, at least they're okay.
Hey,
that with an old filter and you'll see the lashes on your hand like it would glitch. But look how perfect. I'm wearing
Hey, I couldn't even see that they were starting to go blue.
because there's a lot of girls out there that don't realise when someone's got a filter on and they're chasing perfection because that's... Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Genius then.
I don't know about that. I think it's you know how like a $20 bill.
Yeah, just get off the road. The light already turned red. Make that one. I've been lucky multiple times. People be merging, I'm like, hey, you gotta look all the way. Let's do a little head turn. It's like that wasn't a honk. I was like, bitch, hey, how dare you get to the car wrecked in front of me? Bro, it's okay. Is he even gonna be okay?
We're going around in circles.
Yeah, well, it's not supposed to be like this.
Then how's it supposed to be?
I don't know. Not like this, though.
Does that mean you want to break up?
Why would you say that?
Nope. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the? Oh! That's why he cut over like that. Hey, at least you have the dash cam. At least you have the dash cam.
I didn't think that was your style.
It's not my style.
Okay, so.
It didn't look both ways. Bitch, people really be. I see people like, bro, people are going 45 and now, like, all of a sudden running across the road, across, like, lanes of traffic. So people think that one lane is stopped because they're driving. So we're driving the other lane and boom, we're running across. I'm like, bitch. Yeah, let them know. Just 2 words. I'm like, bitch. I'm like, y'all scare me when y'all start running in front of the road. It's like a mother with
right through the earthwork. So we can kind of see a cross-section of what it would have looked like for the Confederates. So the Confederates, as I mentioned, dug these trenches and built up these earthen mounds that they could hide.
Oh, shit! Oh, my God! Oh, my God!
Union.
Oh, my God! 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 Holy shit! Oh, my God!
It's okay. Margina.
Now heavily afflicted monsters and cast a spell. Instead of his usual finishes, punition or verdict, he hit it with something different. Ability, Feast of Blood. Blood. Spell, Drain. Blood. Base cost, moderate mana.
Damn, he was going 70. You could not even. Those cars were so close together. How the fuck was that?
Holy shit! There's a car upside down behind us.
Oh my god! Breaking. Like a safe distance, you know, the appropriate. So.
Correct you. I liked how we had something in common.
Promo code WWJ. Bet $5 on any NFL team and get 200 in free bets instantly. That's promo code WWJ at DraftKings Sportsbook, an official sports betting partner of the NFL.
Call 911.
That actual is not empty at all. Whoa!
Not me falling asleep. That's a sign that I should get ready for bed. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video because this is almost over anyway. So, let me take these lashes off. I wore the really, really teeny ones today. Like, oh. Like they are literally so teeny. I put eyeliner on the thing because I was like put on the nose. Yeah. But I hope y'all have a good night, and I hope y'all have a great New Year's. Y'all stay safe out there.
Well, folks.